Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the dent and prepping the surface so you can act precisely. First, clean the area with soap and water and dry it. This removes debris that hides damage. Next, inspect the paint closely. If it's cracked, stop and consult a pro. If intact, proceed. Gather basic tools now: a plunger, a heat source like a heat gun or hairdryer, and a soft mallet. Having these ready speeds the next step and reduces the risk of making the dent worse. Once the paint is warmed, you'll use controlled pulling and gentle tapping to restore shape. Apply even heat for roughly 30–60 seconds until the metal becomes more pliable. Make sure not to exceed safe temperatures. Then position a plunger or a dedicated suction puller over the dent and pull with steady, measured force to bring the center outward. After initial popping, tap the perimeter lightly with a soft mallet to blend high points into surrounding metal. Repeat heat and pull cycles until the surface is roughly flush. To finish, evaluate surface smoothness and paint condition. Small imperfections need light sanding, filler, primer, and color-matched paint. Work in thin layers and let each cure so the repair stays durable. If sharp creases persist after pulling, switch to a bridge puller or consider panel replacement because persistent deformation weakens structure. If paint has cracked, stop and seek a body shop to prevent rust. One troubleshooting tip: if the metal springs back repeatedly, increase controlled heat duration and use a stronger, mechanical pull.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.